So here I am. I just sent an email to, I believe, a Senator Bloss or something like this. I think she ran as senator and lost a public affairs official. I don't know who if she is, but this is Homeland Security. I'm trying to find information on CAPE volunteers. So couldn't find any information. I think it's now defunct. So long story short, I had to do the press public affairs because it's the less political. And again, heavy stuff, heavy stuff. And want to make sure that's documented for the purposes of, well, that's a lot to take in terms of the FOIA and Sunshine request. So at the end, it's Biba Mes Chamoru. So what's Mes Chamoru? It is Viva Mes Slavery. Some have said calf of the cow, but others say Viva Mes Tomorrow because we're America's day beginning, and of course, it's recreating. So be that much more of that recreation in the recreations of our lives. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Peace.